What are some of those alternatives looking like? Where are some publishers turning away from Google in order to supplement and start to build over the next 5 to 10 years? Where else are people looking to start to build that audience besides from Google?
Yeah, I think the biggest revenue sizes are still to remain ad revenue, ad display revenue, subscription revenue, commerce revenue, which is like the commission model that we spoke about. A few publishers are testing with like YouTube, direct sell, social sponsorships and stuff like this, but these are peanuts, right? It's not like huge ones, but still some of them have their own apps or they selling their own subscription in mass for like certain apps. These are the most popular ones, and I think publishers have to depend less on Google and increase direct relationships with users. So you have to convert all your users who are coming from Google and social media and all the different places into a direct relationship, either through an app, through emails. And I know emails are like, it's still very good actually. And actually users who subscribe to emails are most likely to subscribe to the site and pay money if they see value. But these are the common sources out there.